Hello everybody, this is Con. See Bobby there? That's Bobby. Okay, so right now, as you remember from one of my previous video, my sister-in-law's car got rear-ended, and so now I'm here bringing the car here to to do some body and paint work lah. Need to fix up the boot because my sister-in-law can't be driving the car with boot that won't close, right? So right now here I am at Wearnes Segambut, and here is their full-fledged body and paint facility here inside. Complete body and paint. Okay. And Sifu here is checking my car. Very professional. So he's gradually removing the panel to check whether is there any chassis damage, because he suspects that because the boot cannot close, right, he suspects that cross member there might be bent. So right now he has to take the bumper out to see whether if there's any damage to the chassis behind. So let's give you a closer look. Here's the boot lid. Okay, you see the dent. Here's the dent. 點樣師傅？佢有曲到冇啊？呢度有縮到。哦。變咗。嗯。拉翻咯。拉翻先，拉翻咯。So apparently I've been told that there's a slight bend here. This due to the impact that this part of the chassis got pushed in slightly, so this has to be pulled back out. Boleh. Hi guys, so right now I am at Wearnes Autohaus here to collect my Saga, and $700 poorer in the process. So what they have done is they have resprayed the bumper. Okay, they resprayed the bumper and this section of the boot, so well can feel it's smoother and all. So you may notice that there's a slight difference in the paint between the body and the bumper. This is to be expected because the body of this car has undergone many years of degradation under the weather, whereas the bumper is freshly repainted. So the only way to get a full, proper 100% matching of your bumper and paint would be actually to go for a full-on full body respray. So yeah, but overall workmanship appears pretty alright. So let's try opening the boot. Yep. Close. Okay lah. Open again. So everything appears to be in order. So admittedly, this is probably not as cheap as you would get in a cherry tree mechanic, but I would say it's good workmanship, very satisfactory. Okay, so here's the final bill, 650 ringgit. Seems pricey at a glance, but if you think about this was not just a respray job. There was actual structural damage to the car, although minor, but it still required a realignment of the rear cross member. So that added to the overall cost of the vehicle. So overall 650 ringgit. It's not cherry tree mechanic price, but considering the amount of work done, I'd say it's reasonable. So that's it. Car done, repaired, and well, can't say this car is accident free anymore, but the most important thing is that this is a minor accident. It happens, shit like this happens. It did not result in significant structural damage to the wheelbase area, so it's still fine. The car will still drive okay. Alright, so until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.